Okay, I wanted to make this video because because everybody seems to complicate this, and we tried this and it really worked well. Somebody posted on Facebook about a year ago. So basically I've already installed this cool little LED headlight into here, and it just flashes crazy. It's not correct with the factory wiring, unfortunately. So what we're gonna do, and you can find other videos on how to install that if you can't figure it out, but it's actually really simple. Anyway, so I got it installed in there. This is a quick rewire mod. So basically on this white plug right here, you got this brown wire that was connected here. This supplies voltage to the headlight circuit. So what you're going to do is go ahead and cut that off, strip it back a little bit like I've done right there. And then what we're going to do next, and this guy did this little trick here and it actually works out really good, is you find this plug right here that's only got one wire in it, but it's a 2-wire plug. So what we're going to do is pop that out of there. I know this is kind of the ghetto way, but it really works well. It's kind of hard to argue with. If you want to do something a little bit more permanent, you can, or with relays and running wires to the battery, you can find those videos on YouTube or wherever, Facebook. But this works really good. I couldn't find a video how to redo it, but once we figured it out, I decided to share the information with others to make it easy for the next guy that didn't want to spend 2 hours doing this. This is more like a 10-minute deal or a 5-minute deal. And you kind of fold this over and stick it in that, and then kind of shove it down in there. Pull it, and then what you're going to do is this is going to kind of like tap it into what's already there. Oh, there it goes. Doesn't look bad. It kind of looks like it came that way. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I put a little naked butt connector on there. I just like my stuff to look pretty clean, so you can use whatever butt connector you want. I'm going to put this guy in here. All right. And actually this would probably be a really good mod even if you weren't upgrading your headlight bulb, just to make your existing light bulb better. Alright. A couple little crimpies there. We're going to do this deal here. Alright. Not too bad, huh? Alright, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to plug this in and just show you how this should work now. And now when we flip the key on, the headlight should come on. Oh yeah. Bright, solid, all the time. Just go ahead and turn that off. It's ready to reinstall again. But anyway, once again, it's this white plug here with the red and black in the bottom, and then you just feed that up, fold it over, to stuff it in, and then you're stuffing it in that other plug so it gets in here. You're sharing that one hot wire, which is really good size. We've been doing it for a year. No issues. This is the second bike that we tried like this. There it is. My lens is a little dirty, so looks pretty cool. I picked it with a red ring in it. Looks like it's got like a bronze housing, but when it lights up, let's see here, it's got the red ring. Thought I'd do kind of a red thing because my bike's red, so another one here. Same mod. Been riding for a year, no problem. Kind of gives it a cool look with the halo, angel eye. So it's kind of funny, your factory lights kind of blink like they do until you give it a little throttle and they steady up. But you can see it's a lot brighter. And I will say that here's the high beam. Oh, that's high beam, low beam, high beam, low beam. Unfortunately, when you do this mod, your high beam indicator no longer comes on, but as you can see, they're working. I don't know if that's just the nature of the LED bulb or if it's part of how it's rewired. I'm not really sure what kicks it on, but that's one of the side effects to doing this mod, so make sure you can handle that.